Hey everyone, it's Enza from SensityMama.com, and today we're going to be talking about charging cables. Now, I don't have my phone plugged into it because I'm using my phone to shoot this. So, yeah. Here is my power up lightning cord for my iPhone 6. And I guess it works for, 5s, 7s, all the iDevices, or the newer iDevices. It's rather long. I believe it's 3 feet long, and it really truly is a lightning cable. My phone charges extra fast. I just go ahead and I hook it to one of my power banks, or I plug it in the car for charging on the go, and you're good. I guess that's all I can say is you're good. So this is one of the ones I like the most because it seems to be the fastest. So there you go. I will have the link as to where you can get yours in the description area. All right, thanks.